What's going on, guys? Markie Williams from the YouTube channel Online Certification Course. Here, come check out reinforcement learning, which is one of the 3 basic machine learning paradigms alongside of supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Come get certified, know the meaning, the definition of it, and how you can apply it to your workforce. But first, the intro. In this course, you will be introduced to reinforcement learning, an area of machine learning. You will learn the Markov decision processes, bandit algorithms, dynamic programming, and temporal different methods. Who should go for this training? Web developers, software developers, programmers, or anyone who wants to learn reinforcement learning. The FYI is that the system requirements for the reinforcement learning certification training. The system requirements is a system with an Intel i3 processor or above, minimum 3 GB RAM, 4 GB is recommended, and the operating system either of 32 bits or 64 bits. Also, the course materials are accessible to the students even after the course training is over. You'll have a lifetime access to it. Hey, what's going on? This is Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Enjoy the tutorial, and the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative, subscribe so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up, and comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in, and I can personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. Reinforcement learning is one of the 3 basic machine learning paradigms, alongside supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning is the process of running the agent through sequences of state action pairs, observing the rewards that result, and adapting to the predictions of the Q functions to those rewards until it correctly predicts the best path for the agent to take. That prediction is known as a policy. Experts believe that deep reinforcement learning is the cutting edge right now and has finally reached to the point where it can be applied in real-world applications. They also believe that moving forward, it will have a great impact on AI advancement and can eventually get researchers closer to artificial general intelligence. In this online certification course, you will learn the 4 types of reinforcement: positive, negative, punishment, and extinction. Reinforcement learning delivers decisions. By creating a simulation of an entire business or system, it becomes possible for an intelligent system to test new actions or approaches, change course when failures happen, or negative reinforcements while building on success. Some of the curriculums will consist of Introduction to Reinforcement Learning, Branches of Machine Learning, What is Reinforcement Learning, The Reinforcement Learning Process, Reinforcement Learning Problems, Introduction to OpenAI Gym. There's also going to be a module for Deep Q Learning. The aim of this module is to learn the policy gradients and develop the understanding of Deep Q Learning. The topics will cover some of the following: policy gradients using TensorFlow, Deep Q Learning with replay buffers, target networks, and CNN. It is also important to point out that in class projects, the aim of this module is to provide you with hands-on experience in reinforcement learning. You'll also have a module which will go over bandit algorithms and Markov decision process. You will learn mathematical frameworks for modeling decision-making in situations where outcomes are partially random and partially under the control of the decision maker. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. As I have mentioned, there's much more to these certification courses. Here, the link will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. As always, hit the like button if you find this tutorial informative, so I can continue making more content. Also, comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in. Once again, I can send you those links personally to check out. Please feel free to browse my channel and check out the tutorials I have prepared. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.